In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple options in one question in Microsoft Forms. This is an incredibly useful feature when you want to collect comprehensive data or opinions through a survey. So let's dive right in and explore the process together. First things first, open your preferred web browser. Once you're there, type Microsoft Forms into the search bar and hit Enter. You should see a link to the Microsoft Forms homepage where you'll start working on your form. Click on it, and you will be directed to the login page. You'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, it's simple to create, and you'll find the prompts easy to follow. Signing in ensures that your form is saved and can be accessed whenever you need it, and it also opens up additional features available on Microsoft Forms. With your account ready and logged in, you now need to decide whether to create a brand new form or work with an existing one. If you're starting afresh, click on the New Form option. But if you already have a form that requires editing, simply find it in your list and open it. This flexibility is one of Microsoft Forms' great strengths, as it allows you to modify existing projects with ease. Next, to introduce a new question, you'll want to click on the plus Add New button. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Choice, which is the best question type for adding multiple options. This choice category is perfect because it enables respondents to select their answers from a list, allowing for straightforward data interpretation later on. In the next step, you'll see a text box asking you to type the text of your question. Enter your question clearly and concisely to ensure that it's easy for respondents to understand what you're asking. The clarity of your question can significantly enhance the quality and usefulness of the data you collect. Following this, you'll notice a field labeled Option. Here, you'll type in the first possible answer or choice that respondents can select. Microsoft Forms is smart and sometimes offers suggestions based on your input or recent entries to make things quicker for you. If you have more than one choice to add, which you likely do if you're watching this tutorial, look out for the plus Add Option button. Clicking this allows you to expand the list of options, thereby giving respondents a broader range of answers to choose from. Now, to allow more flexibility in your survey, you might want to let respondents select more than one option. To do this, look for the three-dot menu at the bottom right of your question block. Once you click on these dots, an additional menu appears. Select Multiple Answers from this menu. This is a crucial step, especially if your question needs multiple selections to accurately reflect the respondent's views or experiences. And there you have it. You've successfully added multiple options in a single question on Microsoft Forms. This feature is perfect for creating more dynamic and engaging surveys, ensuring you gather the most useful feedback possible. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't hesitate to pause and replay any sections if needed, and happy form building with Microsoft Forms.